G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the different sized Speedo cable available from Minisport. So there are several different types, lengths and sizes available from Minisport in which you can buy for a classic mini or moke. Now, the drive cable in the middle is a universal fit, so it'll go in either a classic mini or moke in the gearbox end, but also a standard style fitting at the back of the Speedo connection. So even if it's not a classic mini or moke, it could be a Morris Minor, for instance, or even a Sprite or a Midget. They are an interchangeable fit, and just like an oil pressure switch, they are a standard threaded size. So they are different lengths, different sizes, depending whether you drive left or right hand drive, depending whether you have a clip-on style or whether it's a screw-on style. Make sure you check the back of your Speedo to begin with, do a bit of research and have a look at the different styles and lengths available. Last thing you want to be doing is buying a Speedo cable that is too short and doesn't reach properly and has too much tension and then comes out the back of the Speedo. Or worst case scenario is you buy the biggest one available and you've got extra length with the Speedo cable. Unfortunately, it's not something you can modify without having the correct tools. So if you're unsure, contact the guys at Minisport and see what they have available and what's suited to your vehicle. And we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.